yenya matches a eba so e Europe na we UEFA Europa League matches ena anwa eba so eno achi mame fatu anim say ena UEFA Champions League the tense draw eba so na we a playoff draw ena nyame adoma ena no pay eba so ena UEFA for na ye de wonsem e de blate fo nyina e show no sinimum ansa na no yenko Australia esa say ena no pay me ka say Australian Open egusu akoso we tennis jumadi make say no egusu akoso Australia ena ne montene so na the tense uko men singler eno e me na from no the tense semi-final games ena eba so na make say kura no semi-final game bako e di kabana wie na ATP ranking world number 1 Spain wuma brand telefone Carlos Alcaraz Garcia which award number 3 abran telefone Alexander Zverev from Germany 326476676775 and afi abran telefone Carlos Alcaraz Garcia where they qualify and qualifiers Australian final and on payere wonsem ema telefone na show no so make say no and chakrana second game ever so where semi-final 2 na the 10th champion and Australian Open was award number 4 Novak Djokovic from Serbia when abran telefone Yannick Sinner where one number 2 from Omaya you from say Italy and Eba and on payere wonsem pina and ma telefone na show no so away from men's single yanko women's single na WTA world number 1 Arina Sabalenka the 10th Andra semi-final emana from no which ababa first Elina Vitolina world number 12 from Ukraine make say Arina Sabalenka a qualify at the quarter-final and what she did test Andra world number 6 Jessica Pegula from United States of America one also anase one su anima ababawa your first Elina Rabakina na 023667 and Alina Rabakina from Kazakhstan was qualify at the WTA women's tennis final I don't say pina ema telefone na el show no so na the teaser say no emana final yanya nyame adoma Sunday Road Lever Arena Melbourne and emana final ever so na world number 1 Alina Sabalenka one Alina Rabakina and eba and ana payade won sempina ema telefone na el show no so live on 104.5 FM away from tennis yanko football na many candia 20 that say Andra yanya matches a eba so UEFA wo Europa League na we last game about so league first na Andra Villa Park asu the team wo me share 3 Emma Red Bull Salzburg from Austria o me take an you know and what FC Basel wo me traffic Switzerland wo me 1 and Victoria Plzen from Czech Republic Celtic at Nefie Scotland wo me share 4 FC Utrecht at take an you know and what Rest Belgrade wo me Celta de Vigo eba 1-1 and what Stewart Bucharest Romania wo me Fenerbahce eba 1-1 Genk at Nefie Belgium wo me share 2 Emma Mambo wo me take an bako afego ahead Eagles Netherlands wo me FC Braga eba goalless draw Lille at Nefie France wo me share bako Emma Freiburg wo me Antwerp and what Douglas Razgrad at Nefie Bulgaria wo me share bako Emma OGC Nice wo me Antwerp and after Olympic Lyon wo me share Nefie France wo me share 4 Emma Pok at Kanum you know after Maccabi Tel Aviv Israel wo me share 3 Emma away side you from say Bologna Midtjylland at Nefie Denmark wo me share 2 Emma Tima you from say Dinamo Zagreb wo me Antwerp and what Nottingham Forest HF4 Emma Ferencváros from Hungary wo me so Antwerp Panathinaikos Greece wo me AS 1-1 FC Porto at Nefie Estadio de Dragão Portugal wo me share Miensa Emma Tima you from say Rangers at Kanibako after Betis team no wo me so share Emma Feyenoord wo me te Kanibako Stormgrass Eshebako Emma Tima you from say Brand FK wo me Antwerp and after Stuttgart at Nefie Germany wo me so share Miensa Emma Tima you from say Young Boy from Switzerland wo me te Kanibako and Anopeno Yale update MTF for you show so now my photo say after say last run of matches abaso UEFA Europa League first no say 8 teams automatically go qualify at the round of 16 now Olympic Lyon qualify and what Aston Villa team so qualify your Midtjylland qualify Betis go qualify FC Porto and what Braga Freiburg and AS Roma we 8 teams are automatically go qualify at the round of 16 UEFA Europa League and what teams are omukobo playoff no we from 9th position ekopim 24th and I say 24th position na Genk Eko and what Bologna you was Stuttgart Ferencvaros Nottingham Forest Victoria Pleasant Afetima you from Resta Belgrade Celta de Vigo PAOK and what Lee Fenerbahce Panathinaikos Celtic Ludogorets Razgrad and what Dinamo Zagreb and Febran FK where 8 teams are almost qualify Ekobo playoff UEFA Europa League ma enano payno yere won se pina ematefo nyina e show no so na meka UEFA won sem no yenim se midweek no matches eba so e wa UEFA Champions League nam na yebo wie no according to UEFA for no wo se yefa to obi anim se wo de omo team of the week e de aba na according to UEFA Technical Observer Group wo se yefa to obi anim se wo mo bo 4-4-2 na omo fa Benfica goalkeeper jefa se Anatole Trubin e wo goal post room and what Pafos defender first Bruno Gomofano Christian Romero Estinaka Anima Tottenham Hotspur Gomofano first Dan Ben Gobo Anima Newcastle United Federico Di Marco Estinaka Anima Inter Milan Estinaka Anima Inter Milan Afe Ukom Mefoda Gomofano Lamine Yamal Gobo Anima Barca Malik Tillman Estinaka Anima Leverkusen Afe Omofa Liverpool Gomo play NFL Alexis McAllister and Afe Andres Shawdrop Ebo Anima Benfica and Afe Animu no Joao Pedro Gobo Anima Chelsea one Bodo Glimt almost striker na Jaffa se Casper Hodge we a team of the week Jofa for Edia Banana Pino Jerun Sepina Emma Tifo na El Shono so na nano pay she in a Champions League draw eba so na we knockout draw eba so na according to UEFA we say UEFA to obi say omo headquarters on Lyon Switzerland and a drawn eba so na 11 o'clock am Ghana time and a drawn eba so na chese 12 o'clock pm Central European time na yedi come catch order da say your team be omo qualify ti we mo credit be omo kom na fei and omo omo drawn ye omo nsema ba na the tell say from 9 ekopem 24 teams are omobukamu take it and a draw no the tells a Real Madrid team no go qualify and watch you Inter Milan Paris Saint-Germain Newcastle United Juventus and watch Atletico Madrid Atalanta Leverkusen Borussia Dortmund Olympiacos and watch Club Brugge a team from Galatasaray your AS Monaco Karabakh and watch Bodo Glimt and a Benfica team no it way 8 teams are qualify yami aduma and a draw Switzerland you say pina ema tifo na el show so na draw ever so unim say Paris Saint-Germain team no womo ene anase Paris Saint-Germain ene se draw ever so na say o qualifier a chance round of 16 Paris Saint-Germain ebeshia team from say Chelsea anase FC Barcelona na we de nyame mo ene pale yes say Barca for na jijo mo say bo no munimbo eti munimbo de on Paris Saint-Germain nyame haduma round of 16 na say game abaso a yere mo say pina ema tifo na el show so and what you Real Madrid and so team qualify automatically na draw ever so the mean second and say Madrid team no say omo qualify at the round of 16 Madrid either say Women's Sporting CP and I say Manchester City round of 16 we update kakra e free Real Madrid womo so ashe be na no pay yere won sam ema team for el show so na yanko Saudi Arabia na obeka 2022 abrante for say Karim Benzema one energy Ballon d'Or edison na so na oje Ballon d'Or ni across Saudi Arabia make us a for say Karim Benzema was sinaka anima Al Ittihad na menkotia and Al Ittihad for say one person more standing abrantia your friend say Karim Benzema contract anima no na almost standing contract say oko Al Ittihad we say abrantia for say Karim Benzema afibiano waje $108 million and o sika afibiano Karim Benzema aje na omoni new contract ebaya woman some man is kabiane mu image right and omodi am 100% poli just say Karim Benzema no man ka present on fee and ya de omni na Benzema contract ebe wunyame aduma June this year and anunti and on person my contract and man na andro team from say Ittihad ebo game when say Karim Benzema say boafu game no amo na game team from say Ittihad kwa we no say Karim Benzema ambo na Benzema gidi e pass disrespect edimano e say one onye player kito say oba Saudi Pro League no wobo 80 3 matches was 54 goals. Matches were striker and the money was any until when Indian team person was standing the contract and mano. Nasi can Fabian County Benzema, Nebofu El Saudi Arabia, and on a payade update, Emma Tifonia El Shonoso. Na Andra Itiad, woman game Libana and a manager fan is Sergio Concensao, and some for Okubusan say Karim Benzema Amona and Semena Oka. Now according to Itiad manager, Sergio Concensao say one way on Timin Kabim. Esan say a club no any Benzema asem na ono manager dia omo for anase ono Sergio Concensao wo fan say omo manager na one training boys na enwachi one prepare for the game enwachi when your results na on any titles and from a team je from say Al Ittihad na de be si ache dia enyo no nasem Jobetima ka any say Karim Benzema excellent professional enwachi we fantastic player na ne je pass on Karim Benzema adwuma edema Al Ittihad we ensema Ittihad manager je from say Sergio Conceição e two na no pioneer dem sem tifonya el show no so live on 104.5 FM. Na uko Argentina club je from say River Plate and on a reporter men say can say wo stadium first a stadium monumental e Buenos Aires wo say omo person be stadium renovation na stadium capacity omo de call 101,000 na is 101,000 and a stadium monumental abe games team from say River Plate ebo say akobani sadia na say River Plate team no e we senior offer omo stadium no and ebenya highest capacity na say a stadium at 25 ebenya highest capacity na another pay the men say can say stadium e we senior e fani part do pa no e Tron Dong Stadium e Indonesia e fa nipa 135,000 and Wachi Hassan the second stadium e fa nipa 115,000 your Randrogo first of May Stadium and also Indonesia e fa nipa 114,000 and Wachi Spotify company Barca omo stadium one e fa nipa 105,000 na for obenya a stadium monumental e fa nipa 101,000 and pay yere won some emetie for na el show no so na after say Manchester United woman caretaker manager for Michael Carrick e buy no Man United mo de pa e say 2 games e omobono woman share Manchester City woman kwawe e kwhye Arsenal e Emirates Stadium na Alessandro Martinez after say we free injury by the money mo asoni e de team from Manchester United na Alessandro Martinez akasa we say managers about Manchester United na Michael Carrick is soon manager the who be da hey manager na nima dwuma say na ade ba kwa ne say the way Michael Carrick e be sia bon che ene obedi nkomo no eno ene mena ne GA party say won say Man United woman mo elswania e chese manager no Juana ono Alessandro Martinez o say we obia witimi bo wura na kumoma ene ni tikura we ba tono aye yete United woman left footer center back Alessandro Martinez.
If you play for Manchester United, it's because you have something. We know how important it was to win the last 2 games. Doesn't make any sense when the next game you don't play in the same way with the same standard. We are ready for the next game. I think the mentality is there, which is really important, and we have to keep showing.
What difference has Michael Carrick made?
In short time, for me, I said already, I'm impressed about him, about his body language, his energy, his communication as well, the staff as well, very close to the players, the way he trusts the players, the way he talks, the way he connects with each other. It's unbelievable. For sure, I think if you play for Manchester United, it's because you have something. You need people who understand your quality. You need people who take your best as well, you know. And I think Michael is doing that. He's taking the best from everybody, not just the players, but also the staff, the standard, the structure that he demands. That is really important. And for me, when you touch my heart, I will give everything for you. And he touched it already, and you can see that.
Okay, the Red Devils of Manchester United, we defend and Alessandro Martinez, and I want to tell you, because Obama caretaker manager, your first Michael Carrick, Cabasso, and Anna Pino, you don't want some Emma Tifonia El Shonoso, away from Manchester United, Yanko FC by a Munchin, not Leon Goras, Kanyami Aduma, a June and on a contract, Eben a year, and a Matima from Sebayan, now Obaka Andra Gabi Trump about a story, and must say, Electrical radio from Akobayan, woman say Omopa Leon Goreska, no Sikana Omona by buy for no ejidie pass say boy no akaba say 5 months on the contract ebena we el buy the nemom say sika no kwan omonje and no per report am say Atletico for no stadium medium metumi bia say na bia omo sabaka Leon Goretzka na 5 million euros and omode ko omo see nipa and as a player akane 5 months contract there say 5 million euros no enti Atletico Madrid edeko nemom dia me say come from Germany and say Leon Goretzka gidie pass say otra Bayern na obo season no betime di sare in the future enti agese bibi extraordinarily and betime e di Abrante fan say Leon Goretzka akotima ye from say Atletico Madrid and na payere wonsam ematie fonya e o show no so na ye kan Bayern wonsam say Abrante fan say Serge Gnabry ye say Tottenham Hotspur aba say omo per Serge Gnabry na Serge Gnabry sinaka anima Bayern Munchen ye say Spurs ekwan omo ne entourage ene kodi nkomo nemom de tense boy ne camp e ka che Tottenham say omo ne Bayern ashase edi nkomo na omo person omo stand Serge Gnabry contract anima no e 2 years contract ena Bayern e person omo ye anima Serge Gnabry say ekoba ne sadia na say team from say Tottenham Hotspur omo da so say omo nya bra tefa Serge Gnabry no emman boy ne ebatena wo be stand contract anima Bayern Munchen eno chi diet Upamecano wono so contract e na we still boy ne person be stand contract anima team ye from say Bayern Munchen ye say Bayern for no nya me adma 1st February a deadline anima Abrante for say diet Upamecano na 1st of Bayern e de koye no wo say omo afane 20 million euros and what they tell say woman man signing on fee and also 20 million euros woman person omo extend contract best 3 years now omo the release clause of 65 million euros ebeshem until 2027 and a release clause no ebesha si ayadwuma enti they tell say buy for say nyame adma 1st February say oman TV bia amfa free abrantia je first diet of Upamecano there and you buy a better decision now say afei no say ometo central defender womato central defender and no kakra free buy and aso eba and no chi Olympic Marcel ejadam na manager first Roberto Di Zerbi mekai part-time Champions League matches ever so nano Wednesday no according to Opta woman team from say Olympic Marcel 94% chance say oma qualify at least at their core playoff or UEFA Champions League nimum over team from say Olympic Marcel woman konu su 3 million our way at my club bridge and my team from say Benfica FAO at the qualify at the common na another play Olympic Marcel report I mean second president Pablo Longoria and what is sporting director Medi Benatia woman ya take a decision manager Omasakano na the main second say UEFA Champions League team from say Olympic Marcel Antimi Antwaso Ancoman no na yes I'm training about so no openia first Roberto Di Zerbi enya ono ene training no e chese enkomodia e course ndi bia kire say Olympic Marcel team no womenya agya Roberto Di Zerbi kwan ena no payere wonsam ematifo nyina e show no so na Papi Tiao wono ene head coach and mother Taranga Lions of Senegal obeke omo energy Afcon edisi om na so nemum akọ Afcon final e ba so no ensembe bre e ba so e duru ba bi no manager first Papi Tiao catch Senegal one place se bon omo biem wo bia dressing room ema akofan sembebere e dia ba na obeka CAF woman disciplinary committee woman the ruling about bontain ama Papi Tiao over 5 matches suspension and what she omaka chane say woman chia that's $100,000 and from a CAF na uko Senegal andra ena Senegal for the GDA pass manager no wanyehwe na okun e dia man man enti omo ye fundraising edema openia first Papi Tiao say no wanna a cost no more tan cheap on pay no one be manager say no man kwe na do next form now what take a decision eti omo ye fundraising e dey man no Papi Tiao e the letter e na wabonten we say yam fan to obiam say obi a wo solidarity say we fundraising e dey man bia no wo do bi bia say na ogidi pass okọ Senegal yo sika e wose de mamanfo a eche ono anase opania je first Papi Tiao na de wetima kan ene se sika no wo mfa ko ba foforo ono be tele sika enye hwe wo ko animane man eno aye Papi Tiao nsem kakra e fi na so e ba na no pay no yere wo se pina e ma tifo nya e show no so na Mauricio Pochettino one the head coach and my US omo national team na omo ene host World Cup no omo ne omo ya je from Mexico and Canada na yesi take it price soro entia wo mo kwache Mauricio Pochettino musan say opani we dia o memu ha wo ni se wa ka pass mana na Mauricio Pochettino so soro bia what mean country one a football person we politics asem ene e ka no na se FIFA for atutu take it price mo a ene mu musa FIFA yi esase omo ene wa nu yometimi edi eya no one national team ene o so na yobetima aka se FIFA for ateki omo decision a wo mo so ene responsible so me ya no enti FIFA enya no eno Mauricio Pochettino nsem kaka wode atuja na mame William Estevao woni Lamine Yamal won se Barca supporter dodo na ataka se Lamine anasa ratefo se Lamine Yamal no woni bo ade che William Estevao ema ebi kra se omo kra ne ka se William Estevao pe enti ena Chelsea for enyaye na Deco wono ena sporting director ene team from se Barca Deco akasa na muntie Barca sporting director nai wase dientia womo amoma dwumu da se omo pesa mo sign William Estevao ene se position a obo no ho ena Lamine Yamal ebo na omo ntimi kase omo jala Lamine Yamal na tena bench na awakofa na tefan se William Estevao amana obo na William Estevao a great player on kase bon anase boy no wasa minimum the position no oba ho na no anya bia mo esa se Lamine Yamal ho eno nti ana Barca take decision se omo nsane about tefan se William Estevao na Deco se Estevao William we right footed player and I call a left winger and no nke abia and Barca for Everton minimum when Lamine Yamal about the same position enti omo tona enye eno I sporting director Adama Barca opinion first Deco and this answer to ja na andra and Barca here you go eba na Hamza Abdul Karim wosina kan Adama tima you from say Nadi Agli ewo Egypt afedie Barca any Ali agree na boy ebebo na afei wo mo the release clause ashem na release clause no option to my boy eba or just 18 years Barca for say omede ne ko Barca bi ho eno ba chance e dey free enti Hamza Abdul Karim wo ko sina ka anima Barca ena no payare wonsem ematifo nyina show no so na ye ka transfer wonsem no Olezana Zinchenko we answer player obeka ko loan anima team from say Nottingham Forest because Ajax any teamer je from say Arsenal awie boy eti play wo ko Amsterdam wo ko any medicals na fei was signing contract anima teamer je from say West and say team from say Ajax any no payare wonsem ematifo nyina show no so answer the Sansi me akasa me boss fifi man for top player na answer the Sansi just for mafia no papa edu baby no now one under 20 year training na ya say Western for say hey Chelsea na ade papa say ho na mompe wo say omo problem defense say answer the Sansi enti enkomodie no gusu akoso between Chelsea and after West Ham United say bi akọ kamade and answer the Sansi kwakobo loan until the end of the season and the team from say West Ham United Joao Pedro or from papa na oko Chelsea for say hey o matadi o na player pe akwani bobo Joao Pedro you say one manager first Enzo Maresca enya altercation na em say and now sanu ma we so em say Chelsea for no manager na ekas opaso okono o man popo mutikula no na you say October and September mo Chelsea able game editor team je from say Brentford na you say before the game and Brentford first say Joao Pedro ekoka manager first Enzo Maresca say wo pia bon ontimi mo nemo me say Maresca eka say wo pia say wo bia no take come say bon ontimi mo wo ma Joao Pedro about 79 minutes Chelsea game no sa game 2-2 na yase ho NM say wo entem essay I say enam so am manager first Enzo Maresca Chelsea for agya no kwan na yase uko Chelsea omo hara kiniso a wo mania chipapa omo say wo mabu Brighton and Hove Albion na according to IES Football Observatory woman super computer say black first Joao Pedro the market value 87 million pounds Chelsea for at 55 million pounds plus 5 million pounds and that Chelsea ukabuma 60 million pounds and a Chelsea at Joao Pedro and in the free Brighton and Hove Albion eti uko Chelsea say woman bu Brighton and Hove Albion na boy ni dia say na obro sakura na no pay yere unsem pina ema tifo nyina e show no so Anthony Joshua boxer obeka Nigeria okonya accident born a recover Andra Anthony Joshua kazai say odabibia say mo sending the messages time or him odabibia say we the boxer first say Anthony Joshua
It's actually comforting knowing I've got two brothers on the other side. You know, I've lost people before. I don't think I've lost people my left and my right. Throughout this journey that I've been on, it's not easy, but I didn't even realize that I'm the big guy, you know what I mean? But I was walking with giants, man, that kept me protected, kept me shielded. But the mission must go on. I understand my duty. I understand what they wanted to do for their.
Okay, tiwe Anthony Joshua and I'll tell you because all that say where the Kaju says any problem you know Gano women from every action and come on and no survive here to say Kaju about you are now must skipping mommy. Na mame abrate France Rodrigo goes was sinaka anima team from Real Madrid na obeka Champions League game eba so ama Madrid ekwa we was Stadio Dalu wo mu kolusu 4-2 anima team je from Benfica Rodrigo ekonya red card na Rodrigo at the statement at about bonti wo pacha wo say Madrid supporters will probably be acho now already what the camp manager friend say avalo abelu acho and watching the teammate will probably be acho on him say I didn't see no a hamadu team ne pa never where and the first time I was say Jesse and my team from Real Madrid 1 year record a chance and yen is one and nemum and no be any see a man here record and he will probably be acho and watching Liverpool I want say Anslot the entire that's what and he say omunyanya replacement dia e ka manager no em say come up body na si to da
is on go fine
o say Jabi Alonso
okay on so grade so your former player and you bad now okay so all the DNG no must na omunya manager
you know sakos ana pata bribrabo onji also omunya to was a man
football but it's good sir Rodrigo Abepacho. It's good because me now no me game me who say sa red card no brand in good year no ya me no kreni na very unnecessary and no kwa can be na ma Benfica to be share that fourth goal no because that time na Madrid and 2 red cards into a moment team no ayi kakenti is good say nipa de ujitum so ayebone na o show rumors it's good nti yedna na asum me gidi say Real Madrid fans so no ebisum na amode ache abrante no. All right, you're 4.5 and the